In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable SSL, HTTPS, on your Wix website. By the end, your site will show the secure padlock in the browser and load over HTTPS, which helps protect your visitors' data and improves trust and search visibility. Start by opening your Wix dashboard. Log in, head to My Sites, and choose the website you want to secure. This takes you to the site's main management area, where you can adjust settings without changing your actual page content. Next, open the SSL controls. In the left menu, go to Settings, then scroll to Advanced Settings, and select SSL Certificate. This is where Wix manages the security certificate that enables HTTPS. No coding or external hosting steps are needed. Wix handles the heavy lifting behind the scenes for you. Now, enable SSL. You'll see a toggle for the SSL certificate. Turn it on to activate HTTPS for your website. Wix may take a moment to provision or confirm the certificate, so don't worry if you see a short loading period. That's normal as the secure connection is being prepared. Quick note while we're here, if you need to sign in or create a site, I've placed a direct link to Wix at the very top of the description so you can get to the dashboard quickly and follow along. Once SSL is on, verify the status. Open your live website and look at the address bar. You should see HTTPS at the start of your URL and a padlock icon indicating a secure connection. If you don't see it immediately, try refreshing the page, opening a new private or incognito window, or clearing your browser cache. Sometimes your browser temporarily remembers the old non-secure version, so a quick refresh helps. It's also a good idea to test your website on both desktop and mobile. Navigate through a few pages and make sure everything loads securely without warnings. If you spot any mixed content messages, it usually means an image or script is being pulled from an HTTP link. Wix often fixes these automatically, but a simple refresh or re-upload of that asset can resolve it. Finally, publish your changes. Click Publish in Wix to ensure the secure version of your site is live for everyone. After publishing, your visitors should be seamlessly redirected to HTTPS, and that padlock will confirm their browsing safely. That's it. Your Wix website is now fully secured with SSL. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step Wix tutorials.